I love the color of these. Sorry? Were you just holding my bag? The lady did just in my bag. Why are they in my bag? She will open my bag. Hello, wait. I'm gonna see if your teeth now.
Have a look for your mind.
Can you too, oh, Chada? Excuse me? She was just in my bag trying to pick it. I turned around and spoke with her, this lady here. Can you stop her just in case she has something from my bag? You can check the cameras.
I know she's...
Look, she's going. They don't know what she took from my bag. Sometimes them go like so them know what help people. Make the drunker them. That means so that nice. I love the color coordination.
Okay, let's go.
That's it. That's so nice. Hey. Yeah. Alright, just so we start? No? H&M Home. Okay. Hey guys!
Hello
Video
people!
Hey guys!
Hey!
Welcome to the vlog.
We're old today, we're in a different settings. We're bringing our old to the way.
Burst open the gates. Right. They open the door, so I don't know so from the sun up till the sun come down, we're outside. So today we're doing some window shopping. We're looking at some furniture. No about furniture. We're looking at some inspo for the house. We're looking to see what's new in the spring summer home wear collection. We're gonna go to H&M Home and we're gonna go to Zara Home and we're just gonna take you guys with us. But the weather, guys, gorgeous. It's just windy, but I'm not lie, it's nice. When you're in the sun you feel warm. It's nice. Let me show you guys. The place busy though, guys. I don't know how, but everybody is out. And this is not even rush hour. What time now? May I listen here?
After 3:50.
After what time?
3:50.
It's just after 3. It's not rush hour and the streets are busy. So we just have to take it easy. But this video, let me talk to them real quick, to my family people. Let me talk to them, my nice subscribers. People, this video is more than likely going to be copyrighted. So make sure you go over the old video them and leave a like and leave a comment so that you can help me in the algorithm and we can get the little coins. You understand? Please and thanks. Show them the fit to the list. Let's quickly go through our day. Yeah, give it to them. Yeah.
So we're there from here. So we get it from ASOS.
Yeah.
Glasses from Shein.
Nice.
Then we're a little top from Zara.
Yeah.
Little leggings from PLT.
I love these on you.
And some, you know.
The quality is really good. I think it's for trainer, yeah. That's cute. Subscribe.
That's it.
Alright guys, I'll reach inside, I'll come back to here. That stoplight here take too long, you know. Listen, you know, you surprise yourself. Guys, I did have to come back because look at my skin.
So we can cross.
When I tell the honest truth of God love. Look at my skin, this is Charlton. Eh? Eh? Wow, nobody not stress me. I'm glad for that.
Yeah.
That nice.
Life sweet.
Life sweet. Life sweet, like I'm a dip it in a honey. I'm sure you know what I go on in the store them. So this is the spring summer collection. Oh, I love the pampas.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's like a H&M to get them ponytail.
Yes, H&M Home. Please don't disappoint us because I have really high hopes for you guys because online ain't it. So I'm hoping that in-store makes sense. So we're going into our first destination, H&M Home. honestly guys, if you've been trying to do home shopping and you've been online and you've been in store, I promise you, it's a completely different H&M, I say, completely different. One more, I need mask time. Mask up myself. Yeah, I mess up the vibe. I need to see some of put up the shades up here so make it balance. I know we can go. Alright, come listen, boo. Mask. We can't go in it. Okay.
No, you can video, but don't video me.
Oh, no. Why would I video you? Students, you have discount in H&M. Alright, listen, I'm going to take our time now, make them show you. Okay. Oh, they are. Yeah. It's nice, and it's this was so want, but we want in a different colors. What the black wouldn't bad do at least something different?
Because if the thing black.
Okay, yeah, we want something light. Okay, I'm pop out. Guys, we're talking about our wine.
The color like that would have looked so nice.
We're talking about our little bar area. By the way, if you haven't, we have a listen, I have a mini apartment tour and I have a full apartment tour. You can go and check it out if you're new here. To see what we're talking about. Okay, even the plates.
I love how they do this.
I love how this different.
It's simple and nice, don't it? You can give me a spring vibe as well.
It's very unique. I like the shape of this. Let me wipe off the camera so you can really see. Is it not give me clear right now? Yeah. Sorry guys, I wasn't showing. I'm gonna start over. So guys, this is what H&M is serving for spring summer. How much for it?
You only get one weight name, so that means that if you want a whole set, you have to buy weight name there.
You have to go buy all four.
You have to buy all of them, yeah.
That's the mistake. H&M them person silly this year. Why do I sell the lamb shade different to the lamb? I feel like I'm all over the place. I take my time. Cause the things in my ball out though. I love this color, I love the shape of her, everything.
It's nice.
The bubble, rattan. Because everybody else have this on Pinterest.
Really?
Everybody else. But I love the color, I love the green. It's definitely giving me spring. But the pricing, no, that's rude. This is cute. This is cute. This is proper max. What they call it? Maximal decor for the extra people. This is too much for me. But I love this. I can imagine this as a nice centerpiece. This is beautiful.
Even this one like a kitchen table.
This is beautiful. But I love how it's grand. I like when the flowers them come out. Hello. Oh no.
Okay, then treat them. Make too much going.
Yeah, this is too much for me. And them all have the dress to match the something. This is from Myra from yeah, that's Myra kind of world. Okay, this is new. Listen, I never set up like this before. Yeah. Irsa did the Irsa?
Yeah. But then probably have that different decor on it.
So must it feel new. Yeah, definitely. But it's also give me grown.
Yeah.
You know, give me too young girl. Some lanterns. This you can get from IKEA because it look cheap. Yeah. I don't like the way how these look. I don't like the shiny metal on the back. They have frames. They have these pillows. The irregular shaped mirror now that's on trend. And then me in the back. Okay, I guess these are for your center to, for your probably this is for your something there. Your tray where you can have for your console table. Lamps. Let me show you guys around. Lamps. This is nice. I like this. I like this one. There's a listen room. These are some bars. This is unique.
We all on our way
This is quite unique.
like fully. Do we have these somewhere else also?
Okay, they have the plants over here. Ooh, I love this. I love this one. This. Yeah. Yeah. It's like in my logs.
These are nice too, but everybody has the nails well, you think?
Yeah, everybody have the face.
Yeah. Square comments?
So man, I'm jail suit. Just free. Free me barber, free me. Okay, where else have we go? Upstairs?
Upstairs.
Huh? Oh no, we never look over here, so. Oh wow, these are some more. This is nice. How the material feel?
Same like the other one, don't it? Does it look like it?
It's softer than the one that I bought online though.
The other one, you know, it
I
scratches
feel my
skin.
one course up. My one?
Yeah. The other first one, if you dip on it, it literally scratches skin. You know scratches?
No?
Yeah, it scratch me out. Somebody there.
Two of them?
No, just that really, really first one.
Okay.
If you itch.
You can probably change it then though. You don't need to in your house a scratch. You love struggle. And not every day suffer. Some days just live. I love these. I love this area. This is my Bible. Look at pom pom them. So look at mood.
You never get something like that?
Yeah, I have something like it, mood bite again. But this soft. This is definitely for the bedroom. This is proper soft. Everybody has this as well. How much is this? Let me see if it actually worth the price. 24 pound, 25 pound. How could I say? I mean, it's a lot cheaper than it looks. I mean, it's a lot cheaper than it looks. That's sexy. But 80 pound.
80 pounds for this one.
80
Imagine if I like a console though.
No, this is it.
That would have been
This is a vibe. And they have the Chanel hooks as well.
So you can get this off Amazon. How much them sell for them Amazon? You say the price. So you can Amazon for $24. They probably have to go $30.
That means so that nice. I love the color coordination.
Yes, exactly. This is the one. Yeah, of course. It's a little bit for this chair. It's basically this is the manufacturer.
I love the color for these. I love the color of these. Sorry? Were you just holding my bag? The lady did just in my bag. Why are they in my bag? She will open my bag. Hello, wait. Let me see if your teeth no.
Have a look for your mind.
Can you too? Oh, Chada. Excuse me. She was just in my bag trying to pick it. I turned around and spotted her, this lady here. Can you stop her just in case she has something from my bag? You can check the cameras.
I know she's.
Look, she's going. You don't know what she took from my bag. Sometimes them go like so them know help people. Me get the drunker them. Purple. Guys, sorry about the intermission. Mama tell you no. My life. A comedy. I must comedy this. Next time I punch where I punch.
But you get it on camera so them see everything.
Them see it. But I don't, the way the lady literally just walk away and disappear in a thin ear and the H&M stuff. H&M staff don't come assist me. The man don't say what was wrong.
Anything missing, nothing at all.
The man just continue doing his job, but make it was the other way around.
And
so
security him don't let about over because
let him come assist way.
yeah.
So next time I'll wet up people and I punch her punch. Say no to violence, kids. But she too bright, she try to for me when I don't have it. And I do it actually the back of my tail, you know?
She have all the feel like she a shop. Cause she look like a regular woman, I do a look shop.
Look regular.
But she don't have to see.
The woman that's actually there back of me. I say I feel like looking at from my bag, right guys? My bag lock up proper. When my bag lock, you know one back because the magnet is not locking good. I feel like looking at you know like someone that hold on your shoulder, but I say the crowd in the shop, so who for the back of me. I look around, I say the woman jumps so I look and perking. Almost sitting at the video, and perking so. Next time my hand gonna just a boop.
Yeah, reflex.
Reflex boop. I was started. Oh, I love this.
Pasta bowl though.
Okay, that
Put
bougie.
the pasta in your flyer. Pasta bowl.
So what is?
Probably espresso cup. What is?
Oh, you put another?
I don't know. Egg.
I could have never egg plate. That would have sad. I can't that either because I need to balance.
You know you have to have a little pinky shit.
Do you want a cup of mate?
A cup of tea.
Do you want a cup of tea? I love this. I love the beach tones. Listen here, this is how we want to set the table. But so we could have do a set, don't it? But I feel like we could get this in a TK Maxx. Come in like how that look cheap. Guys, this don't make no sense. Oh, the 8 pack of how much?
This is how much in the pack here.
At 3?
Literally 3 meals for night.
H&M wicked and them one £9 now other £1. £8.99. I like the matte black, yeah, that different. But see them set it here, so.
And then the white in the one though.
That would look nice on the whole look a bar area. Because we have one though, but that's our name that we have. We have one shiny one, marine one, silver one. Yeah. Guys, this is black. It's showing up navy on the camera, but it's black.
That show navy?
Yeah, look.
Weird. That show you purple too.
Or purplish.
The white name very nice.
I love this. I love the vibes, man. I lie. I love the vibes, H&M. This is the prices. These are the prices.
Yes, madam. Only in one color.
Ooh, she's sexy. This is nice. That would be a nice gift to you, listener. You don't like that? Don't it?
She proper cute, man.
This is nice. Oh, yeah. That nice. I love how H&M. No, but it's different to the nose downstairs. It's not purplish. Or the sun make it look purple. But that nice how the sun make it change color. Guys, it look purple now with the eye, but it's showing black on camera. That's rude. That's rude.
Normally I buy the set for like something close to that.
Who could I call me? I don't want to talk to nobody right now. I miss my calls. What is a frame? Or you just put it on the table for vibes?
Then when you put it on the table or you put something on it, what them say, what them call it?
May I explain on the important today? On the important to go on in our life?
Storage basket.
Which one?
The metal one.
Oh, I love this.
Nice storage.
What I need storage for again? Oh, I need it for my local snap them up there so. But I not buy from here so. Some for oil.
Yeah.
But you know what I want to do more for them bathroom shelving design. I need some inspo because I could have changed mine. Yeah. You know I have them shelving at the bathroom. I could have changed out the tones. Cosmoid. Ooh. These are for wine, lasagna, decanter?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. We need that for hosting, but the girl, the man are really wine girls like that.
This I give me love though.
Yeah, but this look like the one where Lydia said she getting at the thrift store.
But they want to look at different quality. $6.99. Please. Give me love though. The different machine. You know, like the one in the prison.
Yeah, we'll have something to go for them.
The one that's just regular.
The one they regular too.
The one they regular. Is it like a green one or because of the...
A black.
Oh, because it's a reflect.
Because they reflect on the... But when we get that, we have to go learn how to make porn star martini. Because we don't know if we make it. We never walk here, so. Okay, these are just mugs and stuff. Up here so nicer than downstairs, but still not impressed. Not impressed. But them definitely have more options here than the ones that they have in. You know, all that. I got one from Primark. You can buy the one from Primark. Primark have a beautiful dupe. It's actually olive green, guys. I don't know why it looks gray on camera. No man, my camera setting. No, this is so off.
Yeah, that's proper off.
It's literally almost the color of my nails.
That's weird.
Yeah.
You setting that on?
No. I'll change the settings. I think Zara Home may have more for us in store.
You think?
Hopefully.
Yeah. Yeah. I said about this so much phone, 780 phone. But it not give me like 80 pounds for you.
No. I think probably even M&S. You might be able to get similar, if not better quality in bedding. Or TK Maxx. This is quite soft. This look lugs. Ooh. 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 This number doing for £13.
Okay, then take a look at that table sheet right there. So nice.
Simple. Very simple. With a marble marble top. Jacquard. This is what we have for our robe in this quality. Yeah. That can definitely stay. Smell like couscous. Ooh, every time I come here, I fall in love with this mirror over again. Girl, but you're not giving us space. Lagianas.
You want me to take this away?
Oh, no, that's okay. Should clear it off away. Wow.
Thank you. I'm fond of it with LJ now.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna put it on the camera then and get in my vibes. So guys, we just saw what got Zara now. This one's for them good girls, straight masterpiece. Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. I gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. see what I'm telling about London pigeon for them to pray on nobody? Because I'm so close to me. I'm so close to me. Jamaica one as breeze blow so them gone. London one, them want fly come lick you down and you come out of them way. That clear really, Sonia? You're out?
Yeah.
No, it's a good London. Let me see, yeah, good bag and I get, you know. The one day when I beat out the face and I did the more vlog.
Wow.
But one day I'm gonna beat out the face and I do the edits them, I'm gonna do them and so some more other day the more vlog.
Yeah.
But I still stay good at Uvex.
Man, the skin up there, everything. I get them supposed to do.
Get into it.
The one what I'm supposed to get, give me the camera, I'm sure them look at outfits for you.
Must see.
Where are the cameras at that, Derricka?
The dark yourself.
You could have turned up your little exposure a little bit. Alright, go on, it's a
The
coming.
life is that change the H&M door.
Yeah.
So we might get them down. Yeah, get London Ben on it.
Yeah.
So I have this Zara leather jacket, real leather. And then I have this jumpsuit from PLT. And then I have a simple little trainer. I'm gonna look at everyday bag with the woman.
What do I pick?
I'm gonna look at everyday bag from the shoulder. And then we have the frames from Gucci, of course. This is how we do.
Yeah. And we have ear by what's your name?
Here by good reds, nobody else but reds. But I'm not do reds no favor today, sorry reds. But the tree cut good, it just go where it's supposed to go.
I don't like this, Derricka.
Wow, I saw the lighting bad?
Yeah, you turn on the exposure, man. She not give me true color, she give me dark.
Should I give that?
She not give me sunny London.
Should I give that?
Alright now. And your battery a beep.
I'm gonna have no more battery people like that.
So
I'm gonna quick walk through a Zara. I'm gonna know how it's gonna go.
like a quick one. I'm not give you the rest of the day and the day just as that. Whoa.
But I'm enjoy H&M. Yeah, we can get a look at H&M one.
You can get H&M. And then depends on where the battery is. So she normally come back up, we can cross.
No, how much is this?
The right side with green on the right, so you can get them the plan and make them see what I'm on.
Okay, I'm gonna put the battery.
The battery are dead. But you can get your thumbnail right there, so you know, because she a give vibe. You want to use the phone though.
I'm gonna screenshot the video.
Wait, when we try the wide angle, go up, whoa. No, Maggie London, wait. People look what going on, you can't even see. Sorry. But since I get wide angle everything with a thumbnail, so I don't know what to do. Like up the picture and the picture.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh, she really get London. Ooh, London girl. That nice. That nice. Anyways, guys, the battery are dead. So this is goodbye. Oh. Bye, y'all. Sorry.
That's a quick one again.
That's a quick one. But so you can always like up the video them. You can always comment on the video them. So I can make more money, so I can buy more battery. Oh, that sound. Yeah, that doesn't sound bad.
Memory card.
More battery, more memory card, more equipment, more things.
Yeah.
But so I get a nice little quick little vlog. This is literally so spontaneous. This one I just text and say, yeah, are they free? So come go to Central, Mr. Alright, I'm going to do the do's. So now so here, not good Oxford Circus. See good red bus there, the double decker. But guys, I don't know if the battery lasts me till Zara, I'm showing the Zara. If it don't last me,
So
then this is a goodbye.
So you can see them show them a little bit of Zara and then with them to say
it's battery now. You get back 2 batteries. Yeah. Not weird. Over there, I said, I'm so nice. Hey. Yeah. And Trina and sad, that's Ada. Them love the attention. Guys, I forgot to update you. Zara Home is closed. It's no longer at Oxford Circus. Oxford. It's no longer at Oxford. It's no longer here. So the closest one I believe is where Chelsea. Because they're not even relocating. They're literally just not here anymore. So don't waste your time coming here to see Zara Home. Just shop online. But yeah, guys.
We'll go
Penhaligon and we went to Joe Malone.
we're going at the Zara store.
Guys, I'm surprised that the camera turned on, but we didn't know wasabi now. We get some sushi and then we're gonna go Subway and then we're gonna get one burger. So I'll turn off the camera now and try to catch you guys up later. Bye.